Excuse my hair and everything. I look a mess. I'm in my mom's workout slash movie room because I had to find a quiet space to film. Sorry, it's a little shaky. I got the house last Thursday. Everything turned out great. Yeah, but it closed. I have a house now. It's all mine. Well, technically I guess it's the bank. But tomorrow I will try to bring my camera with me to film me getting a lawnmower, because that's probably what I need the most right now. I'm gonna try to get AC next week. I haven't spent any of the money that I have set aside for AC. So yeah, that'll be super awesome, and I'm gonna try to bring my camera along tomorrow when I go get a lawnmower. I will try to bring you along with me, and I guess now I just have to charge my battery and brush my teeth and wait until tomorrow. That'll be nice. And I did not like any of the ones there, and they were all Briggs and Stratton engines. You done eating?
Thank you.
I want a Coke float.
You see up top here it says big double burger or the chicken sandwich burger.
Can I get a BLT? Okay, so that is my lawnmower. My dad's standing there. That's the little yellow one, the first one that we looked at. I have my mask on, so guys, don't worry, I'm being safe. I put it on whenever it's hot because it's just fabric, but yeah. Let's see if I can focus it. There we go, it's focused. My bangs are sweaty. It's hot outside, y'all. But yeah, I got my Riverdale hat, my mask, and then my Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt. We didn't have the money to eat there, but I did have the money to get a shirt. So we are facing a little trouble right now. We're trying to get it to work. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen, but I do know that there are some people backed up to the fence, like they need to get in. It's kind of stressing me out a little bit. It is hot. Okay, that's the lawnmower. So that's how that goes.
Yeah.
George truck. That is the lawnmower that I bought. It's in my shed right now. And the front yard looks a lot better because, and I wasn't just gonna use a push mower for the whole yard. It reaches out to the end of that road right there. The backyard we have not mowed yet. Mostly because we've got to make sure that we've gotten everything up. There was a tree down here and I'll try to insert a photo. I was actually living in the laundry room, which is that room back there when it first fell. Because the first time I lived here, I did not rent the house or do anything. I was living with other people. This is pretty much where they've gotten most of the stuff down like a month ago. We're still kind of working on it. Backfield of grass, that's pretty much the most of what we've got to take care of here. We've got to get all this stuff away from the trees. But yeah, that's the back view of the house. We've already bleached the back of the house. We're working on bleaching the rest of it. We're doing one thing at a time though, so it's gonna be a while. That is part of the tree that we cut down. Probably use it for like little bonfires or barbecue pits, but it was right here. So that's the tour of the backyard. As you can see, the front yard was, a lot was taken care of. We had grass up to pretty much my knees before we cut it. Before that, my boyfriend did come out and mowed the whole front yard with a push mower.